Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off dynamic back order on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on Synchronize and click settings. Now click short settings. Now here you will find it, stickers and emoji settings. Click on it and here you will find dynamic back order. Click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's it for today. That's how to turn off dynamic back order, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.